Okay, I got my worm box. Got the worms from Walmart. And this little styrofoam box actually came from Canada. I got this at Lake O.H. Ivy. We had some big Canadian earthworms, or I guess night crawlers, in here. But it worked really good, and if you'll notice, I've got ice cubes under this to keep the worms cool, because like I said, they don't really thrive when it starts getting hot. Now let's put one on here and see what we've got. Okay, got the worm, got the hook, and I am using barbless hook. It's my Jimmy Houston tip. It works great. And so let's go out, and this will be our first cast. It's about 7:45 in the evening, and then we had a little bite, and he might have got the worm, and sure enough. So we're about the right depth with this bobber. I might slide it just a little bit more up. So we'll put on another worm right here. Come on, worm. Yep, here we go. I think I'm gonna double him up this time. Last one was just hanging down, wacky worm style. And here we go. Come on. Come on, Mr. Worm. Get on here. Okay, I think we're gonna pull in a fish this time. What do you think? Okay, Wormy, do your trick. Do your trick. We'll put you out there. Well, we'll pull him in. Yeah, everything's changed around, but this area that we're fishing in seems to be just a haven for bluegill, and of course bass patrol through here, particularly the bigger one, looking for small bluegill. Well, let's see what we got over here. I hope that wasn't the only bite. Nah, come on. We'll go over here now. There we go. We got somebody playing around with us. Come on. Something small. It's not real, well, not real big. It's playing with it. Okay. Oh, I was wrong. Look at that. This is a nice bluegill. And he just got off. And I was definitely wrong. I thought that was probably a little sucker. And as you can see, it was pretty good size. So let's put the worm back on here. Probably scared him. Okay, let's go out here again. See what happens. That has nothing to do with the barbless hook. It just he just wasn't hooked that well, that's all. Because I've caught some that big on this barbless hook setup that Jimmy Houston has really coached on, and I've used it. I caught about 1.5 pound bass the other day using a barbless hook. Okay, we got something playing with it. Okay. Yeah, we got turtles swimming around out here. Okay, they're still playing with it. I'm gonna see what we got. Okay. Yes, and it came off again. Well, I don't know. I don't know what the problem is there. We'll just put it down again and see what we got. I'm not using a real big hook, so that shouldn't be a problem. And that was a pretty nice looking bluegill. Now I told you folks, oh, I think it's been about a week ago, that I came down here and I caught 15, count 'em, bluegill. And I was using this setup, exactly what you're seeing, and I caught 15 bluegill. What do we got this time? Yeah, we got a piece of grass. Okay. So far tonight, we've got, what do we have? 2 on, and Mr. Doug has lost them. It has nothing to do with the worm. The worm is doing his job. So, get with the program. Of course, if you have followed my channel at all, I have been known to make some bold comments and then end up to get kind of a fail. But you know, you don't have to catch them all. And I believe what Richard Jean says, that, and I've felt this for 72 years of fishing. Fishing is good for you. Fishing is good for you. Okay, we're going back right over here because this is where we've really been playing around. Look at that. They're waiting for that worm. They are waiting for that worm. Ah, not only are they waiting for it, they're eating it. Took that sucker right off. I still believe this setup is the easiest way to go. I catch fish on it. I mean, I could go to, you know, I guess the traditional of just a straight hook and a weight up on top, you know, at some distance. But I might do a little experiment and test the two and see which one we got. But like I said, my little deal about 2 weeks ago, I caught 15 bluegill right in this same area using this setup. I got 12 pound monofilament on the top that's orange that I can see well, and then I've got some cigar. I think it's 6 pound fluorocarbon. Yep, they're getting this sucker right off. So